Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here, my name is June Karaoke. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is a channel where we do travels, we do food tasting, we do restaurant reviews, we make recipes and so much more. So karibu sana, welcome back. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make mushrooms. This is actually like it's my second time making mushrooms, but it's my first time making mushrooms in this way that I want to make them today. It's a very interesting yet very nice rendition of mushroom recipe. So stick with me and let's go to the kitchen.
My name is June Karaoke.
Aya, leteni. Mbona mnakaa kama mmefusiwa? Sawa. So it's actually 10 p.m. and I'm just so tired. I'm laying in bed, editing the vlog, and I realized the vlog is just 5.5 minutes long. And I honestly thought it would be longer, but I wouldn't want to just add clips on there to just make it longer, because I want my videos, the videos you guys watch, to be as authentic as possible, as engaging as possible, and fun for you guys as well. So hope you guys enjoy this 5 or 6 minute video. I enjoyed making it myself and editing as well. So I'm just done editing. I'm just going to put this clip in there, and then I think I'll post tomorrow because it's too late for you guys to watch it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, it's always a pleasure and always a vibe. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends, with your families. Tell them there's a channel where we cook, we travel, we do all sorts of things. And yeah, thank you so much. Have a blessed night, or when you see this, it's morning. Anyway, bye guys. Till next time. Bye bye.